Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create quiz question paper on Google Form through mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Chrome browser and this is my Google Chrome browser. In your right hand side corner you will find your username details, that is your mail ID, and your left hand side you will find a Google Apps. Just click the button Google Apps and just scroll down. You will have an option called Google Forms, that is forms. So here just click Google Forms. Once you click a Google Forms, automatically Google Forms open in your Google Chrome browser. So first and foremost you need to type the title, that is untitled forms is there. Just click the button and change into quiz or something else. So I just have some quiz over here. So here the quiz will be open here. So first there is the questions over here, untitled questions will be there. So you can type the question. For example, I just have some basic details of the respondent. First I just type your name. So name means you need to type your name so that automatically it will change into short answer. So here you can choose whatever you want, paragraph or multiple choice or checkbox, drop box, everything. So I just have some short answer so that the people can able to type over here. So here there will be a required field. First and foremost you need to enable this option so that if they didn't type the name means they cannot able to submit. So if I want to add more questions over here, so there will be a plus button in the downside to add the questions, as well as if you want to add the session or import the question, you can import the question over here. So I just click here for add questions, so to add more questions over here. So I just click here to add the questions. Once I click, automatically one more question will be added here. So I just want to have some roll number of the students. I just type a roll number, and so no roll number will be the short answer. So I need a required field. So short answer will be coming over here. So again I just want to add more questions. So now the question is going to start. I just want to type the questions. For what is the questions, if you want, you just type the question, automatically you can give the answers also, so that the quiz will be started over here. So I just type how many players. Okay, so there is a answer type will be the multiple choice, so that they can choose any options. For example, I just choose the option 1 is like 11, and option 2 is 12, option 3 is 9, option 4 is 13. So they can able to choose a question answer properly. So they have to choose one answer. So this is the required field. So you can able to just enable this option, so required field. So now I just want to add more questions. So I just type who won of above. So you can give according to the details. So first you just require. Similarly you can add more questions to add this one. So how it will be displayed over here? So simple and easiest way. So here on top you will find option called this publish. Just click the button, automatically it will see the publish option. So anyone with a link they can publish, so that you can able to see how the details will be there. So this is the questions model. So now I just want to change the color of my details about the questions, everything. So just click here for the colors. So for example, I just want a blue color, background is in blue, and apply means automatically colors will be added. As you see here, there is a background will be blue and questions also will be blue colors, as you see here. So just choose a different colors which is needed for you. And if I want to give the answers according to this is the questions quiz. So once they select, automatically answer will be displayed over here. So here on the nearby there will be a response will be there. Just click the button response. So who are the response and everything will be displayed over here. So first and foremost you need to go to settings option. So to make the form as a quiz, so first make this as a quiz. So just enable this option. So you can immediate after the each submission or later after manual review. So you can enable according to your needs. So I just choose later because I just want to add something else. So here you need to give the points of the question, so that they will be getting the marks according to that. I have 2 questions. If the 2 questions are correct means it will be in a 10 points. So you can give according to the needs. And the response also, so how many responses collected, protected scenes. So you can choose according to the collect your email ID and send a response, everything. And limit to response you need to enable, means one person can respond only one answer. So similarly I can give. So now again go to questions option. You will find a points over here. So for example, you can choose a points over here in a tick box. So now I just want to enable this one as a quiz. So I just choose a correct answer. So this is the correct answer. So just choose a point. So totally 5 points I'm going to give, and this is the correct answer. I have given the correct answer. Just click done. Next one. So who won the World Cup? I just want to give edit options over here. So here there will be a tick option, so that this is the answer we need to give. So just click answer key point. So once I click answer key point, so give the 5 points. So totally 10 points I have given, 5 for the top questions and 5 for the each questions. You can give 100 marks and you can divide into each questions model. So I just choose some these things, the answers will be none of the above. So what are the answers you can give? So just click done option, so that your answer will be ready with that. And now I just want to create a link to share with the other ones. On top you will find option called links option. So just click the link. So this is the link. So just click here to shorten the URL. So just copy this link over here, so just click a new tab to paste the quiz and open it. The quiz is ready, so I can able to answer. So you can able to see the quiz has 5 points and 5 points. So what are the required field is in red asterisk as I say there. So I can give the name and roll number and how many players in cricket I can choose and the answer, and I can submit. So I just type whatever I want. I can type according to the dates, and my name also I can give, and record in my email account and submit my answer. Automatically your response has been recorded over here. So now you can able to go and see the response, how many responses are there. So totally 1 response has come with the results also. So this is the easy way to create a quiz and share through your mobile phone. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.